Hello my dear student, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing study at your home. As you know that the school is closed due to cold wave and chilly weather. We do care for you and your study. Therefore, to keep you updated from the coming examination, I am here with a video of subject Mathematics Unit 13 Money. So watch the videos and practice the note of exercise at your home regularly. Okay students, so let's start the new chapter of Unit 13 Money. Okay students, so first one, Granny is buying plants at the nursery. Okay, look here, marigold, jasmine, rose, sunflower and dahlia. Okay, 5 flower pots is the granny purchase in the nursery. Okay, so first pot is cost 48 rupees. First pot is cost flower 48 rupees. Okay, now B 25 rupees, C 76 and D 37 rupees. Okay students, is that clear? Color the notes and coins. Marigold flower price is 48 rupees and jasmine 25 rupees, rose 76 rupees and sunflower cost is 37 rupees. Okay students, now come to the start. Color the notes and coins. See, give for each plants. Okay students, do you know students, two types of money, notes and coins. Coins 2 rupees, 5 rupees and 1 rupees coins. Do you know students? That means note 10 rupees, 1 rupees, 2 rupees, 5 rupees, 10 rupees, 20 rupees, 50 rupees and 100 rupees, 200 rupees, 500, 2000, okay, and so on. Is that clear students? So first here look at the notes. Paper notes are made of paper. Notes, it is made of paper. Paper notes are made of paper. Okay. Coins. Coins are made of metal. Paper notes are used for large transactions. Okay. Paper notes are used for large transactions. Coin are commonly used for small transaction, that means 2 rupees chocolates, 5 rupees chocolates, so use of coin. Okay, that means last transaction is 500, 1000, 2000, so transaction of notes. Is that clear? So first one, cost marigold flower is cost 10 rupees, 10 rupees, 10 rupees, 10 rupees. Okay, 10 rupees. So first color the notes and coins to give for each plants. 5 rupees, 2 rupees and 1 rupees. Okay, that means here 10 rupees is notes. 10 rupees is notes, that means color the coins. 5 rupees coins, 2 rupees coins and 1 rupees coins. After that jasmine 10 rupees, So color, notes, color. 10 rupees notes, 10 rupees notes, 10 rupees notes, 10 rupees notes, and 5 rupees. What is this 5 rupees? Coins. 5 rupees coins and 5 rupees coins. Is that clear? Once again, rose. Rose cost is 50 rupees. 50 rupees coins or notes. Notes. So color the 50 rupees notes. Okay. 50 rupees notes is color. 50 rupees, 10 rupees notes, 10 rupees note. That means circle is coin. 5 rupees, 5 rupees and 1 rupees. Okay. Now next, sunflower. 20 rupees note, 20 rupees note and 10 rupees note. That means 20, 20, 40, 10, 50 rupees. Okay. 5 rupees coins, 2 rupees coins, 2 rupees coin and 1 rupees coin. 5 to 7, 7 to 9, 9, 1, 10. Okay. That means 60 rupees. Now next, marigold. 50 rupees coin, 50 rupees notes, 10 rupees note, 10 rupees note. After that circle, 5 rupees coins, 2 rupees coins, 2 rupees coins, 2 rupees coin and 1 rupees coin. Is that clear? How much do plants B and D cost together? Okay, look at the cost B and D. So B cost is 25 and D cost is 37. So write here number 62. 20. Write here number 62. B cost is 25 and D cost is 37. So add total money is 62. Total money is 62. Is that clear? Now next, which cost less? Plant A or E, how much less? So look here, pot A and E cost less than 48 and 59. So 59 less than 48 equal to 11. Is that clear? 49 and 59 and 48. So less than 59 and 48 less than 11. Okay. Write the value of each notes. 100 rupees. What is the note? 100 rupees, 20 rupees and 500. So write here number 100 rupees, 20 rupees and 500 rupees. Okay. 100 rupees note is color sky blue and 20 rupees note is color red and 500 rupees is color notes of grey. Is that clear? Exchange of money. We can exchange a 50 rupees note for 5 10 rupees notes. Okay. So 50 rupees note for 10 rupees notes. 5 notes, 10 rupees, 5 notes is 50. Okay. 50 rupees notes for 5 rupees note. That means 10 notes is 5s are 50 rupees. 100 rupees notes for 5 rupees, 50 rupees notes. 2 notes are 50 rupees. That means 100 rupees. A 10 rupees note has the same value as 10 1 rupees coins, 5 2 rupees coins, 2 5 rupees coins. Okay. So first one 50 rupees, 10 rupees, 10 rupees, 10 rupees. First one 50 rupees notes. That color is sky blue. This color is sky blue. Can be exchanged for 5 rupees notes. Color is 10 rupees notes. Color is red. Okay. Write the number of notes that can be exchanged for the following. So first one, A 100 rupees note for 20 rupees notes. So fill it now. 100 rupees notes are 20 rupees note. That means 5 notes are 20 equal to 100 rupees. Okay. Now second one, A 500 rupees notes for 50 rupees notes. So 500 rupees. That means calculate, multiply 50 rupees notes. So 10 notes are 50 rupees. So equal to 500 rupees. Now third one, 500 rupees notes for 100 rupees notes. So 500 notes and 100 rupees note. So equal to 100 rupees are 5 notes. 100 rupees are 5 note equal to 500 note. Is that clear? Now come to the exercise number 13.1. Count and write the money in each box. Tick the box that has a largest amount of money. Okay. So first look at this picture. 10 rupees note, 10 rupees note, 10, 10, 20 plus 1 rupees coin, 1 rupees coin. 10, 10, 20, 1 and 2. 22 rupees. Okay. Now next second box is 10 rupees note, 20 rupees note. 10 rupees note, 20 rupees note, that means 30 rupees. 2 rupees coin, 5 rupees coin, that means 27 is equal to 37 rupees. Okay. Now next third one, 20 rupees. 2 rupees coin, 5 rupees coin, 20 plus 7. 27. So largest number is 37. Largest number is 37. So trick the second number box is 37. Amount is right. Okay. Largest amount is second number box. That means number is 37. Is that clear? Now next B, exercise B. Circle the notes and coins needed to buy the given fruits. Okay. So first one, what is this? Grapes. Grapes cost is 12 rupees. Circle the coins and notes. 10 notes is circle and 2 notes is circle. That means total amount is 12 rupees. Okay. 10 rupees is circle, 2 rupees is circle. So total amount is 12 rupees. Grapes amount is 12 rupees. Now next, fruits cost is 10 rupees. So first look at the 5 rupees notes. Circle the 5 rupees notes, 2 rupees coins, 2 rupees coins and 1 rupees coins. So total amount is 10 rupees. Now third one, papaya. Papaya cost is 8 rupees. So circle the coins or note is mixed. Okay, papaya cost is 8 rupees coins. That means 10 rupees minus 2 coins. 10 rupees ₹5 coins, 5 rupees coins circle, 5 rupees coin circle and 2 rupees and 1 rupees. That means cost is 8 rupees. Okay. Now next and last one, fourth number is watermelon. What is watermelon? So cost is 24 rupees. Okay. Circle the coins and notes. 10 rupees notes, 10 rupees note, that means cost is 20 rupees. After that 24 rupees, 2 rupees coins, 1 rupees coins and 1 rupee. So total cost is 24 rupees. Is that clear, students? Okay. If you did not completed it at, so please complete this exercise in your book and practice it. Okay students, thank you and have a nice day.